G'day, was here. Today I'm gonna show you why your brilliant business is still underperforming and exactly how to fix it. Maybe you are running a top-notch renovation crew in Melbourne or delivering the best cleaning service in Sydney. Perhaps you've got a Ripper landscaping business in Brisbane. Your customers love you. Your work's bloody brilliant, but your phone's not ringing enough. Here's the truth. There is 2.5 million small businesses in Australia, and most are making the same mistake, being digitally invisible. Your competitors aren't doing better work than you. They're just more visible online. Today, I'll show you 4 steps to completely change the game. First rule, the 3-second rule. When a customer lands on your site, they need to know 3 things in 3 seconds. What do you do? Where do you service? Which suburbs? How can they contact you? Your website isn't a brochure. It's a sales machine that you don't need massive budgets to look professional. Start simple and fast, mobile friendly, and before and after photos, customer reviews, clear pricing. If it's not mobile friendly, you are losing 70% of customers. Second rule, dominate Google My Business. Look, near me searches have increased 500% in Australia. Plumber near me, electrician near me. Here's what you do right now. Register your business. It's free. Upload photos daily. Your team, your work, happy customers. Update your hours. Don't forget public holidays, of course. And after every job, text your customer. Would you mind reviewing us on Google? 50 plus reviews equals top 3 in local searches. It's that simple. And the third rule, every job is a Netflix series. Listen, people don't want to see just the result. They want the journey. Say you are doing a bathroom reno. Monday, first consultation video with the client. Tuesday, material selection, show the tiles and taps. Wednesday, demo of the old bathroom, time lapse it. And Thursday, new plumbing going in. Friday, final reveal, the happiness on your customer's face. Also, film the frequently asked question videos. Like, how long does a bathroom reno take? Do I need a council approval? What are the budget-friendly options? Get in front of the camera. Smile. Speak with your natural Aussie accent. People want to see humans, not robots. And the fourth and most crucial rule, meta lead ads. You can start with small budgets. What matters is consistency. Don't stress about targeting. Meta's algorithm knows who needs your service better than you do. Let the system learn and find the right customers. Keep your ad copy very simple. Thinking of renovation for your home? 10 years experience, fixed price guarantee, fill out the form for a free quote. Use video. Show before and after transformations. In your form, just ask for a name, phone number, and a postcode. Any more, you lose them. Okay, I'll give you 3 extra golden nuggets. Use WhatsApp Business. Aussies love to message. Do a feature Friday every week. Share a customer story. And join local Facebook groups, but don't sell. Add value. And down. That's it. Follow these 4 steps, and in 90 days, your leads will triple at minimum. So I've been in Australia for 30 years. I've seen hundreds of businesses grow with this system. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to like this video and send it to any business owner mates who needs this. Subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping new strategies every week, and see you on the next one.